Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your sleep deficit on the Sleep as Android app. When you are in your Sleep as Android app, to see your sleep deficit, you want to go into here, tap on Charts, and in here you have this choice. Scroll to the top and the second from the top will be Deficit. Here you will see your sleep deficit. As you can see, mine isn't quite the best. You can change the period across which you see it, all time, the different tags if you want to exclude things, for example only on workdays, only weekends. You can also see it when you go into your stats. Just tap on your day, tap on it, and tap on duration. This will take you to deficit again, or it might take you to sleep duration, which was right next to deficit anyway, so it will be easy to go to deficit from there. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.